Alright, for Module 6 Lab, I'm actually going to create a board maker project. I had already created my account. So now I'm going to go down to Create Activities. When I click there, I will then scroll down to Communication and Participation. I'm looking for a 16 choice board. This one does not work, so I will go to the next page. And here goes the 16 item choice board. So I click that. I'm going to select the template. I have to download Adobe real fast so it can run. And what will happen is I will enter a word on each choice block. And when I enter the word, a picture will show up, which would be great. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make this wide. I'm going to click one box and I'm going to put in, let's say the first one will be flower. Alright, and then I click enter. When I click enter, pictures of flowers will show up. I get to choose one. I'll choose the first one here, and now flowers entered in the choice box. So the next one I would do, I'll say man, and we'll go with the bearded man right here. And the good thing about this box is you're trying to find words that can be used in everyday life. So now I'm doing woman, and for diversity purposes, I'm gonna add this woman here. Let's say apple. Apple right there. The next one I'm going to do is book. Since we are in school, I'm going to use this book right here. Another one that we can do is ball. Ball is a good common word for children. And next we can say, let's do milk. Why not milk? Milk does a body good. Another good one is probably phone. Some everyday usage. And let's go with one that they're probably familiar with now, which is probably a cell phone. Let's go with a vehicle that they may ride in, which is a car. Which would be great. Then let's go with computer. Many children use computers today. Laptops. So let's go with this one right here. They may be familiar with that one or this one. Alright. The next one is television. I'm pretty sure some people watch television with the flat screen. That'd be a great one. Then we can go with shoes. Let's go shoes. Then the next one is, let's go with pencil. Pencil is perfect right there. Next one, let's say we can go with food. And food is going to be very broad. So let's choose. So in the event I didn't want to do that one, I would cancel that one. I would go back and I would do, let's say hat. The great thing is when you type it in, push enter, it pops up multiple choices. So now I will say, let's go a house. And then the last one, I will go with school. And so now I have created a communication board for my student. Now I can have a little title. You can create multiple boards. This one was just an example, but if I wanted to group the boards for food, I would create a food board. Or if I wanted to do things associated with school, I would do a school board. If I wanted to connect with things at home, it would be a home board. So I have the option of creating a board to where it makes communication a little bit easier for the students. Now, in order for it to talk, what we can do is this. We can push play, And when I push play, it's going to read each word that is in a box.
Flower. Flower.
And then I click
Man.
and I keep clicking.
Woman. Apple.
And so when I click,
Book. Ball.
and so
Milk.
if it's communication, if they need a computer, they'll go.
Computer.
And that will allow us as educators to understand what they're trying to communicate to us, their needs, their wants, if we have any questions at all. So there I have created a board for communication.